What's up, everybody? I am here at Wild Fork Foods in Lake Nona. Happens to be my hometown. And the folks from Monument Grills told me to stop by because they got something going on over here. Let's go check it out. All right, we got Cook with Bill on Instagram. Go check him out. I'll throw the link down in the video. He cooked up these awesome wings. Let's see how he did. Check him out. I think you'll like it. Let's go check out what's going on inside Wild Fork that they've been cooking up outside. If you're unfamiliar with Wild Fork, they're a specialty grocer. They have all different kinds of tough to find cuts. I am so excited to have one here in my local hometown. I don't have to drive like 30 minutes to get to. See some of the cuts that you've probably seen on this channel. Lasagna. We got tri-tip. You can almost never get this on the East Coast. It's always hard to find. Tri-tip. How about a tomahawk ribeye? Yes, please. You got brisket, of course. And remember when I was looking for a whole leg of lamb roast to make kebabs and I couldn't find it? Right here. And apparently it's got wild boar. I've never eaten kangaroo in my life. Ground yak and elk. Kangaroo burger? Maybe. Did you ever think you'd find Thor's hammer in a grocery store? I guess I'm worthy. You guys have seen me cook some Iberico on the channel before. Well, I can get it without having to go mail order. There's a little walkthrough. Wild Fork Foods. I'm here thanks to Monument Grills. Go check them out. Grills Day's coming up. I'll throw all the information down in the description below. Dad may check out awesome grocery stores. Watch people cook on his favorite Monument Grill. But one thing Dad will never do is an outro. So that's it. Bye.
This episode of Dad Got This was brought to you by our producers. Thank you very much.